Remind yourself at the beginning of the day of all the things that you have going for yourself, okay? As opposed to worrying about the things that you've not got going. Start the day, for instance, thanking God that you can climb out of bed, okay? For the simplest things, that you can breathe, that you can walk, that you can use your hands, that you can look at things, just the simplest existence, because as you get older, he starts taking it away a little bit. So really enjoy being existentialist. Enjoy your existence. It's the most precious gift that we think came from somewhere. Okay, it just wasn't sitting here. There's a reason that it just happened to be us. Okay. As David Bowie says in a song, you and me.